Welcome. In front of me is a Stanley S241, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to get started, open up the settings app, and from there scroll down to backup and reset. It's right here, and then tap on factory data reset. You'll get a message what it will do. So we'll remove basically all downloaded apps and anything you might keep on the phone, Google accounts and stuff like that. So just select reset phone and then erase everything, and the process will begin now. It will take several minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be then back on the home screen. So I'll be back once the process is actually finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So if I unlock it, you can see it's completely done. So that is how you perform a hard reset of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.